Wow, I actually won the lottery. Hooray, my dreams can come true now. I'm gonna go spend all my money now. Why did I gamble all my life savings away? I should have bet on black. I know what to do. Spare change, spare change. You, sir, spare change. Sir, please? I haven't eaten in 3 days.